Every creator wants the same thing. A simple way to earn money from short videos. But most platforms have one big problem. You need thousands of followers, millions of views, or you have to wait months before you can even apply for monetization. Now there's a platform called Vyro that's getting a lot of attention. It claims creators can join campaigns, post short-form content, and earn money based on views. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works, who it's designed for, and the important things you should know before signing up. Let's get started. Section 1. What is Vyro? Vyro is a creator campaign platform. Instead of uploading random videos and hoping they perform well, creators can join active campaigns from brands or content owners. Each campaign includes content guidelines, instructions, and payment details. If your content meets the campaign requirements and performs well, you may become eligible for payouts based on that campaign's terms. The idea is simple. Brands want more people talking about their content. Creators help distribute that content. And if everything meets the campaign rules, creators can earn from participating. Getting started is fairly simple. Create an account using your email or Google account. Choose that you're joining as a creator. After that, connect the social media accounts you want to use. Depending on the platform, you may also need to verify ownership of your account before joining campaigns. Once your account is ready, you'll see available campaigns inside your dashboard. Each campaign is different. Some focus on YouTube Shorts. Others may support TikTok or Instagram Reels. Always read the campaign details before posting. This is where many people get confused. You are not paid simply for creating any random video. You earn only when you participate in an active campaign and follow its rules. Each campaign may have its own payout rate, eligibility requirements, and budget. Some campaigns pay per qualified views. Others may use different performance metrics. That's why it's important to read every campaign carefully instead of assuming they'll all work the same way. Before posting anything, always check the campaign instructions. Many campaigns require using the approved content, following specific editing rules, keeping the original message accurate, avoiding misleading edits, avoiding spam or reposted content. Platforms also review submissions before approving them. If your content doesn't follow the campaign rules, it may not qualify for payment. Quality matters much more than simply uploading as many videos as possible. Before you get too excited, remember this. No platform can guarantee income. Your results depend on several factors. The campaign you join, your video quality, audience engagement, and whether your content follows the required guidelines. Treat platforms like this as an opportunity, not a promise. If you're already creating short-form videos, joining campaigns could become an additional income stream. But it shouldn't be your only strategy. So, is Vyro worth trying? If you already create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok videos, it may be worth exploring the available campaigns and seeing whether they match your content style. Just remember, read every campaign carefully. Follow the rules. Focus on quality. And never expect instant results from any platform. The creators who succeed are usually the ones who stay consistent, improve their content, and take advantage of the right opportunities when they appear. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Logic of Automation. Every week, we break down AI tools, automation platforms, and online opportunities so you can make smarter decisions without wasting your time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.